Have you ever considered the hidden costs of burial insurance, especially if you're over 50? Many people think they're making a wise financial decision, but there are often unforeseen expenses that can catch you off guard. Understanding your insurance options is crucial, not just for your peace of mind, but also for protecting your family's finances. The reality is that burial insurance isn't just about the premium you pay. It can come with waiting periods, limited coverage, and escalating costs that could leave your loved ones in a financial bind. In this video, we'll dive deep into these hidden costs and help you navigate the often confusing world of burial insurance, ensuring you make informed choices that truly benefit your family's future. In this video, we've explored crucial updates in Medicare and Social Security that significantly affect insurance needs for those over 50. Recent changes to Medicare coverage may alter how you approach your healthcare costs, while adjustments to Social Security benefits can impact your financial planning for retirement. It's essential to understand these shifts, as they can influence your insurance decisions and overall financial security. For instance, rising healthcare costs may necessitate a reevaluation of your current policies, ensuring they align with your evolving needs. We encourage you to stay tuned for valuable insights that will help you navigate these changes effectively. Being proactive and understanding these regulations can safeguard your family's financial future and ensure you make informed choices regarding your insurance options. Imagine checking into a hotel and discovering a candy bar in the minibar. It looks tempting, but the price tag is shocking: $5 for a single snack. This is similar to burial insurance. The convenience of having a policy that promises to cover your funeral costs can come with a hefty price. Just like that overpriced candy bar, burial insurance often seems like an easy solution, but the costs can add up quickly. You might think you're making a smart choice, but in reality, you could be paying far more than necessary for limited benefits. Just as you might regret that candy bar purchase when you see the bill, many find themselves regretting their burial insurance decisions once they realize the true costs involved. It's essential to weigh convenience against affordability. Sarah, a dedicated 58-year-old teacher, thought she had found peace of mind when she purchased burial insurance. The agent painted a picture of security, promising her family would be covered without financial strain. Initially, she felt a wave of relief, believing she had secured her family's future. However, a few months later, Sarah received a shocking letter detailing her policy's limitations. The coverage amount was far less than the average funeral costs, and she discovered a waiting period that meant her family would only receive premiums back if she passed within 2 years. The reality hit hard. The supposed safety net was riddled with hidden costs. Sarah learned the hard way that what seemed like a simple solution was fraught with complications, leaving her feeling trapped. One of the most significant pitfalls of burial insurance is the waiting period trap. Many policies come with a 2-year waiting period, meaning that if the insured passes away within this time frame, the family may only receive a refund of the premiums paid, rather than the full death benefit. This can leave families in a precarious situation, especially during a time of emotional distress. Imagine paying into a policy for years, only to find out that your loved ones won't receive the support they need when it's most critical. This waiting period can create a false sense of security, leading individuals to believe they are fully covered, when, in reality, they may be left with minimal financial assistance. Understanding these limitations is essential for making informed decisions. One of the most significant issues with burial insurance is the premium-to-benefit ratio. Many individuals find themselves paying more in premiums over the years than the actual death benefit their policy provides. This discrepancy can be shocking, especially when families expect to receive a substantial payout to cover funeral expenses. It's crucial for viewers to take a moment and do the math on their policies. By calculating the total premiums paid versus the death benefit amount, they may realize that they are not getting the value they anticipated. Often, this leads to feelings of regret and financial strain. Understanding this ratio can empower individuals to make informed decisions about their insurance options, ensuring they choose plans that truly protect their loved ones financially. The limited coverage illusion can be a deceptive trap, For those considering burial insurance, many policies offer coverage amounts that, at first glance, seem adequate. However, average funeral costs can often exceed these coverage amounts, leaving families with unexpected financial burdens. Furthermore, the impact of inflation cannot be overlooked. Fixed benefits lose value over time, meaning that what seems sufficient today may not cover expenses in the future. As funeral costs rise, families could find themselves scrambling to make up the difference. It's crucial to understand that while these policies may provide peace of mind, they can also create a false sense of security. Evaluating the true costs and potential shortfalls is essential for ensuring that your loved ones are adequately protected during a challenging time. Instead of opting for burial insurance, consider exploring alternatives like regular term life insurance or employer-provided benefits. These options often provide significantly larger coverage amounts for similar or even lower costs. Regular term life insurance can be tailored to your needs, offering a death benefit that can support your family financially during a challenging time. Additionally, many employers offer life insurance as part of their benefits package, which can be a cost-effective way to secure substantial coverage without the added burden of high premiums. By taking the time to evaluate these alternatives, you can ensure that your loved ones are financially protected without falling into the traps of burial insurance. Remember, making informed choices today can lead to better financial security for your family tomorrow. Instead of relying on burial insurance, consider a DIY approach to funding funeral costs. By saving in a high-yield savings account, you can accumulate funds that grow over time, offering greater financial flexibility. Unlike insurance premiums, which often seem like a never-ending expense, your savings can be directly accessed when needed. This method allows you to control your finances better, ensuring that you have adequate funds set aside without the pitfalls of insurance policies. Imagine watching your savings grow, knowing that you're preparing for the future without being tied down by costly premiums. Plus, this approach can provide peace of mind, knowing your family won't face unexpected financial burdens. It's a smart, proactive way to secure your financial future and honor your wishes. When considering burial insurance, be wary of sales tactics that create a false sense of urgency. Agents may pressure you to make hasty decisions, claiming limited-time offers that can lead to regret later. Additionally, understand the tax implications. While death benefits are generally tax-free, certain policies may have hidden tax liabilities that could catch your family off guard. Another crucial aspect is the potential for automatic premium increases as you age. Many policies start with lower premiums that rise significantly over time, making them unaffordable in later years. This can lead to lapses in coverage, leaving families unprotected when they need it most. Always read the fine print and ask questions to ensure you fully understand what you're committing to. Start today for a more secure tomorrow. First, review your current burial insurance policy closely. Pay special attention to any waiting periods and premium clauses that could impact your family's financial security. Understanding these details is crucial. Next, don't hesitate to seek quotes from different providers. Compare coverage options to find a policy that offers better benefits for a similar or lower cost. This proactive approach can save you money and provide peace of mind. Remember, you have the power to choose a policy that truly meets your needs. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your loved ones are protected without falling into common traps. Starting a dedicated funeral fund in a high-yield savings account can be a smart financial move. Even small monthly contributions can accumulate significantly over time, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Imagine setting aside just $50 a month. In a few years, that could grow into a substantial fund, thanks to compound interest. This approach not only helps you avoid the pitfalls of burial insurance, but also offers flexibility in how you manage your funds. You can access your savings if needed, or let it grow for future expenses. By taking control of your financial planning now, you ensure that your family won't face unexpected costs later. It's a proactive step toward securing your legacy and easing the financial burden during difficult times. As we wrap up, remember that being informed and confident in your financial decisions is crucial, especially when it comes to insurance. Knowledge is power, and understanding your options can protect your family's finances from unexpected burdens. We encourage you to take charge of your financial future, review your policies, explore alternatives, and consider starting a dedicated savings fund. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical advice that can enhance your financial well-being. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into maximizing your Social Security benefits, ensuring you get the most out of your hard-earned contributions. Together, let's navigate these financial waters with confidence and clarity. Your future self will thank you.